Okay, welcome to the Outlook. I wanted to see how today developed, but yet again, quite a mixed bag. So, a trade idea we had was sell below the Monday on dollar Swiss. We got a H1 close and we got a retest and we sold off, and we just went one standard deviation. Came back and I'm closing this trade at break even. I want to see, this is quite a strong pullback. I wanted it to melt down, so I'm going to let price action unfold around this area again, and if we get a breakdown then I'll get back in. See if play would be stop above Monday's high, but we'll see how price action, if we can break down from here again, then I'll get involved. Don't really want it to see it keep pushing up like this, so when it turns again I'll try and get in. The other thing that I was looking at, New Zealand yen. We've had our eye on this for a few weeks, so in the daily chart this looks quite promising, but yeah, again we're coming into that weekly level that we spoke about in here. So we've took out, we've had inside weeks, we've took out the low, and I think we're going to shoot out, take up the high at least, but we're still waiting for close above this weekly level. So if we can get above that, your stop should be safe below Monday's low. Let's just zoom in. So that's the range. You can see it's acted as resistance, now it's back above it. Don't really want it to get below here. If it goes below here then we're wrong on the idea. But it does look like it could be turning. It could be one for next week. We'll see how it develops. Don't really like taking trades on Friday. So we'll see if we can break above this, start trading above it, then stop should go below this low, and yeah, we'll see how we get on with that. Euro. Instead of euro, took dollar Swiss short, so we broke above, retest Monday's range, we went one deviation, acted as support and resistance. To get on board this again, we need a break above this recent resistance, and yeah, I think we'll be going higher on that one. So as it's turning down, I'll wait for a break and mark structure to the upside again. We got quite a nice little rally. Overall, I think it's going up. So that is really everything that I'm looking at. Another week where I think it's better to sit in your hands. We did call a break of Monday's high. We could get long. You could have took some off at previous Monday's lows that we talk about. It's all about you managing your trade. I give you the trade ideas, and that's up to you to manage them as you go along. So directional bias, correct on that. Dollar Swiss, correct on that. Only thing is it's come back on us, so we'll see if it can turn again, and we can get involved. So not really looking at too much else. Euro pound still looking strong. We've come down. We've used Monday's high as support, and we seem to be bouncing again. So looks like it's going to be a break-even week on this. The only thing that would stand out would be New Zealand yen long. If we can break above that weekly level. So again, there's not much going on. It's best to sit in your hands on a few weeks, I guess, especially after we've had amazing trades in dollar CAD and dollar Swiss in the past. So all about preserving capital and letting the trades come to you. No point in trying to force anything. That's when you throw away silly money. So be back early in the morning, and we'll see where we are after Asia.